Hi friends, and welcome back to Sprout's Corner. Today we're climbing up to visit the amazing animals that live high in the mountains. Let's put on our boots and go exploring. Look over there. That's a mountain goat. It has strong hooves and a super sense of balance. Mountain goats can climb up steep cliffs where other animals can't go. They live way up high where it's cold, snowy, and quiet. Up in the sky, do you see it? That's the golden eagle, one of the fastest birds in the mountains. Golden eagles have sharp eyes to spot animals far below. Then they swoop down, fast like lightning. Shh! There's a brown bear nearby. These big, furry animals love the forested parts of the mountains. In summer, they eat berries, fish, and honey. In winter, they find a cozy cave and take a long, sleepy nap. Wait, what's that tiny, squeaky creature? It's a pika, a little mountain mammal that looks like a mix between a rabbit and a mouse. Pikas collect grasses and flowers all summer long, so they have food to eat when it snows. Can you spot the snow leopard? It's very quiet and very hard to see. Its fur helps it hide among the rocks. Snow leopards are strong climbers and great hunters. They live way up high where it's cold and snowy most of the year. And here's a bird with a funny name, alpine chough. Can you say cho? These birds love flying high above the mountains and playing in the wind. The mountains are home to so many amazing animals. From tiny pikas to giant bears, they've all learned how to live in this wild and chilly place. Which mountain animal was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for exploring with us at Sprout's Corner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. If you loved this video, check out our Sprout's Corner Animals playlist.